You wanna know what time it is? It's time to give you the tip today. Alright guys, if you haven't already yet, smash the like button like it's time to join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Well, alright guys, today's tip today is don't even do them like they do you. Just disappear and do better, okay? Don't dwell on anybody that did you dirty, did you wrong, play with your emotions, etc. You know what? Just be like, alright, cool. I just won't mess with you anymore. I just won't talk to you anymore. I'm gonna go my separate way and I'm gonna do my own thing and we're gonna get better. And then I'm not gonna tolerate that anymore. The reason why I said is that if you're a good person and you have good intention and somebody screw up on you, it's all good, man. You know what? It's their loss, not yours. And you don't have to retaliate. You don't have to treat them the same way they treated you. Just be like, all right, it's cool. I'm gonna brush it off my shoulder. You know, I'm gonna keep moving. Simple, right? And trust me, it's gonna be good for your sanity. All right, guys. Just want to give you a quick tip today. You know, like I promised you guys, it's a daily tip. So you already know what to do, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to the family, and join the Inspire family. Let's get it. Let's go.